Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi di channel saya Mandanis. Oke, kali ini saya mau berbagi tip untuk mengatasi rantai yang karat. Oke, caranya cuma sederhana. Kita cuma siapkan bahan yang ada di dapur atau di sekitar kita. Sebelum lanjut ke video, mungkin subscribe dulu channelnya untuk membangun channel ini. Yang sudah subscribe, terima kasih. Bahan yang digunakan yaitu baskom, ini soda, ini saya gunakan Cola, bisa juga dengan Coca-Cola. Ini sabun Sunlight yang di dapur. Nah, ini pertama karena bahannya lebih kuat untuk mengangkat karat. Pertama kita campurkan aja dulu untuk sodanya sedikit-sedikit. Setelah itu sunlightnya ya, biar menghasilkan sabunnya. Setelah itu pertamak. Setelah itu kita aduk rata sampai dia menyatu semuanya. Langkahnya langsung pada rantai yang karat, kita oles keseluruhan sambil digosok menggunakan kuas.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Berarti cairan ini sangat berfungsi. Baik, setelah semua langkah kita lakukan, kita diamkan terlebih dahulu, karena dia akan ada sabun, jadi dia biar menghasilkan busa. Kita bilas. Lihat hasilnya sobat, karat itu hilang dan bersih.
You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no